Okay. Kung mo trabaho pagkaon mo, lagi na siya pagdala.
Saan ba? I-mute niyo.
Beloved, the Diocese of Taliban and the St. Michael Archangel Parish of Hagna are truly blessed today as we gather in this Eucharistic celebration to adore God in the company of all our diocesan bishops across the 87 dioceses, apostolic vicariates, and territorial prelatures in the country. We join them in prayer, especially in thanksgiving for the recently concluded retreat and the success of their ongoing 130th Plenary Assembly. The presider of this afternoon's Holy Sacrifice of the